Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll guide you through the process of verifying your identity on Binance. The process is simple and easy, so let's get started. If your Binance account is unverified or if your Binance ID isn't verified, you'll see a prompt when you open the application or website asking for document verification. Simply tap on Verify Identity at the top of your screen. Next, tap on Continue Verification to submit your personal information, government-issued ID, and facial recognition. You'll need to submit documents such as your passport, ID card, or driver's license. Once you've submitted all the required information and completed the facial recognition process, your account will be verified. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide helps you verify your ID on Binance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any further questions or issues.